In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document seamlessly using a popular online platform. We'll cover everything you need to know to ensure that your document is accessible to the right people and at the right permission level. First, begin by locating the document you want to share. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the Share button. This button is the gateway to all sharing functionalities we'll explore today. Clicking the Share button opens up a sharing dialog, a hub for managing who can access your document and at what level. This sharing dialog is your control center, allowing you to easily manage collaboration settings. First, let's discuss adding collaborators. In the field labeled Add People in Groups, you'll need to enter the email addresses of those you'd like to share your document with. Take care to ensure all email addresses are correct to avoid any access issues. Once you've entered the email addresses, it's time to decide what level of access each person should have. When selecting this, think about what you want each person to be able to do with your document. You will notice 3 main permission levels available. The first is Viewer. Selecting Viewer allows the person only to view your document. They won't have the ability to change anything. They're just there to see the content as it is. This setting is ideal if you're sharing a final copy that requires absolutely no input or modifications. Next is the Commenter role. This option allows people not only to view, but also to comment on the document. It's incredibly useful when you need feedback without the risk of unwanted changes to your content. Lastly, we have the Editor level, which grants the full range of permissions: viewing, commenting, and editing. This is the setting you'd want for collaborators who need to make direct changes and updates to the document. Now, besides specifying permissions on an individual basis, under the General Access section, you can define how others with a link can interact with your document. You may either allow anyone with the link to view, comment, or edit, or you can opt to restrict access to only specific people. Remember to use this with caution to protect the integrity and privacy of your document. Finally, once you've set all permissions as desired, it's time to invite your collaborators officially. You'll either click Send, or in some cases, Share depending on the button available in your interface. Doing so will send an email to all the addresses you included, providing them with a link to the document. This email acts as their direct invitation and guide to accessing the document right from their inbox. With these steps, your document is now ready for collaborative input, ensuring everyone involved can contribute efficiently according to their role.